Come over at 11. By the time we get out of the house.
Okay, Audrey, put your stuff in the box. There you go.
We'll be starving and it'll be fine.
In the box. Yeah, put it in the box, Audrey.
I don't know what she's doing right now.
Audrey, put your stuff in the box.
I know she worked today. She didn't come home. So I'm assuming that she's at Adrian's house.
Audrey. Grrr.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're so good. La 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 la.
Yeah.
Yummy.
But her plans are to I don't know what she's doing.
Fill up your box, Audrey. Fill up your box. Yeah, put your blocks away. Oh, you are so smart, Audrey.
Hey, Dad.
Put your box.
Got your message.
Put it in your box. Audrey, put it in your box.
Yeah, right. No. My phone was on silent. My phone was silent, so yeah.
You are so smart, Audrey. Yes, get your passy. Put it in the box.
We missed all of our calls. What are you collecting tomorrow?
Put your stuff in the box. Put your blocks in the box.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
Yay! Put it in the box. Yes.
Don't have anything, any ideas really. We've been talking about it, trying to figure out something before I called you back. But we don't. What are you doing, Audrey? Are you going to go for a ride yourself? Are you going for a ride? Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't forget your monkey friend. Yep, you better put him in there. Yes. Uh-oh. You dropped him. Audrey, are you taking your monkey for a ride? He goes. Woo, you're going a little faster. Okay, turn around. Turn around. Oh, is this his stop? Does he need to get out?